4.5 billion years ago, Earth was not the familiar blue marble we know today. It was young, violent, and unstable, its surface a hellish landscape of molten rock and constant bombardment from cosmic debris. But among the countless impacts, there was one that would forever change the fate of our world. Astronomers call it Theia, a planet-sized object that may have collided with Earth in an event so catastrophic it nearly destroyed everything. And yet, in a strange twist of cosmic irony, it also made us who we are. Imagine Earth in those early days. Its crust was thin, oceans did not yet exist, and volcanoes belched rivers of lava into the newborn sky. Then, out of the dark reaches of the solar system, Theia approached. Roughly the size of Mars, this wandering protoplanet had likely been growing alongside Earth, pulled by the same currents of gravity that shaped the planets. But their orbits were doomed to cross, and when they finally did, the impact was beyond anything our imaginations can truly capture. When Theia slammed into Earth, the energy released was greater than the explosion of 1 billion nuclear bombs. Mountains crumbled instantly, the surface boiled. Whole chunks of Earth's mantle were blasted into space, glowing red as they scattered across orbit. Earth itself may have tilted, wobbling under the force of the collision. If you were somehow watching from afar, you would have seen a planet ripped open, its insides hurled outward in a storm of molten rock and fire. For a moment, it looked like annihilation. Yet from that destruction came creation. The debris from the collision began to swirl around Earth, forming a glowing ring of rock and dust, much like the rings of Saturn today. Within tens of millions of years, gravity pulled this debris together into something new: the moon. That pale face we see every night is, quite literally, the scar of a cosmic collision, a child born from violence. Without it, Earth would be unrecognizable. The moon stabilized Earth's tilt, giving us steady seasons instead of wild swings. Its gravitational pull slowed our planet's furious spin, stretching days from just a few hours to the 24-hour rhythm we live by now. Its tides nourished early life, stirring the seas, and perhaps even guiding evolution itself. In a way, we owe our existence to the crash that nearly destroyed us. But what if it happened again? What if, somewhere out there, another Theia is waiting, drifting silently in the solar system, ready to strike Earth once more? The truth is, Earth could not survive such an impact today. A collision with a Mars-sized body would erase continents, boil oceans, and shatter the fragile balance of life. Civilization would vanish in an instant, and the planet itself might be reshaped. Perhaps another moon would form, or Earth might end as just another scarred rock in space. But the odds of such an event are vanishingly small now. The age of planetary collisions is over. The solar system has mostly settled into its final form, its great cosmic battles long finished. Still, the story of Theia lingers because it reminds us of a profound truth. Our world is not gentle. It is forged in chaos, shaped by fire and violence. Every breath we take, every tide we watch, every glance at the moon is a reminder that existence itself is built on catastrophe. The moon is not just a companion in the night sky. It is a relic of survival, the witness and the child of Earth's most terrifying moment. And perhaps, hidden within that story, is a lesson. The universe does not create without destruction. Worlds collide, stars explode, galaxies tear each other apart, and yet from that chaos comes the possibility of life, of beauty, of meaning. Theia may have died in its collision with Earth, but in its death, it gave us the moon, and in doing so, it may have given us the chance to exist at all. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you are gazing at the aftermath of a planetary apocalypse. The light of the moon is not just reflection, it is memory, a reminder that Earth once endured the unimaginable and emerged forever changed. And perhaps, in a universe that thrives on destruction, survival itself is the greatest miracle of all.